There are some roads you ride to get somewhere, and then there are roads you ride simply for the experience. Today's ride takes me along one of the most iconic mountain roads in the Southeast, US Highway 441, through the heart of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, connecting Cherokee, North Carolina with Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I continued my morning in Cherokee, nestled at the southern entrance to the Smokies. The air is cool, the mountains are wrapped in a thin layer of mist, and the anticipation of crossing the spine of the Appalachians is enough to make any rider eager to roll on the throttle. Cherokee itself is worth exploring before the ride begins. Home to the Eastern Band of Cherokee Indians, the town offers a rich connection to Native American history and culture. Attractions like the Museum of the Cherokee People provide a glimpse into the heritage that has shaped these mountains for centuries. With the tank nearly full and the motorcycle pointed north, it's time to head into the Smokies. Just a few miles outside Cherokee, the weather reminds me of who's really in charge out here. Dark clouds begin to gather over the ridge lines ahead. At first, it was only a few drops from the visor, but within minutes, I'm riding through a steady mountain rain shower. The road surface darkened, the scent of wet earth filled the air, and a light fog began drifting through the trees. For several miles, the rain transformed the landscape. Water trickled down moss-covered rocks beside the roadway, and the forest takes on that deep green color that only appears after a summer shower. Visibility shortens, encouraging a slower pace and giving me more time to appreciate the scenery around me. It's one of those moments that adventure riders know well. Rain isn't an inconvenience, it's simply part of the experience. The mountains feel alive, and for a brief stretch of road, it feels like I have the Smokies entirely to myself. Eventually, as quickly as it arrived, the rain began to fade. The clouds broke apart, patches of blue skies emerged overhead, and sunlight filtered through the trees. Steam rose from the pavement as the road began to dry. US 441 is a rider's dream. Long sweeping curves blend into tighter mountain bends while dense forests line both sides of the roadway. The higher I climb, the cooler the air becomes. As the elevation increases, the road starts winding its way deeper into the national park. Every turn reveals another postcard view. One of the highlights of this route is Newfound Gap, sitting at over 5,000 feet above sea level. Straddling the state line between North Carolina and Tennessee, it's one of the most scenic overlooks in the entire park. It's easy to understand how the Great Smoky Mountains earned their name. Layer upon layer of ridges stretch towards the horizon, fading into the distance beneath a soft haze. It's a view that never gets old, no matter how many times you've seen it. Continuing north, the road begins descending towards Tennessee. The curves continue, but now the mountains open up in places, revealing distant valleys and forested slopes. Every mile feels like a reward. Wildlife sightings are common along this route as well. Elk can often be spotted near Cherokee, while deer, wild turkeys, and even black bears occasionally make appearances throughout the park. It's another reminder that the landscape remains remarkably wild despite the millions who visit this place every year. As the mountains gradually give way to civilization, Gatlinburg appears ahead. After spending the last hour surrounded by forests, streams, and mountain vistas, the energy of Gatlinburg feels almost surreal. The town buzzes with visitors, motorcycles, families, and travelers from all over the country and the world. Gatlinburg has become one of the most popular mountain destinations in America, and it's easy to see why. The parkway is lined with attractions, restaurants, shops, and entertainment. The iconic Space Needle offers panoramic views of the surrounding mountains, while attractions like Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies draws visitors year-round. Nearby, the Sky Bridge provides breathtaking views high above the valley. For riders, Gatlinburg also serves as the gateway to some of the region's most famous roads, including the legendary Tail of the Dragon, just a short ride away. After crossing the Smokies, it's the perfect place to stop, grab a meal, and reflect on the ride. The journey from Cherokee to Gatlinburg isn't just a route between two mountain towns. It's a ride through the heart of the Appalachians, where history, culture, wildlife, and incredible scenery come together on one unforgettable stretch of pavement. From the rain-soaked forests near Cherokee to the panoramic overlooks at the Newfound Gap and the lively streets of Gatlinburg, every mile offers something memorable. It's a reminder that sometimes the destination is only part of the story. The real adventure happens in the miles between. If you enjoy motorcycle travel, scenic mountain roads, adventure riding, and exploring the Blue Ridge and Smoky Mountains, be sure to like, subscribe, and join me for more rides across this beautiful country. Until then, take care, be safe, and I'll see you out there in America on two wheels.